It has been 10 long years since we've seen this sneaker right here officially released, and they're finally bringing it back. And for me, being the Kobe fanatic that I am, this is a definite must cop for me. Considering this silhouette and the lack of hype that has always been around this style and this model, the question is that how will this sneaker do? Will it sell out? Will this be a hard cop? And will the resale value for this sneaker be there? We're going to talk about all those things today. Y'all stay tuned.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll get them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about an iconic sneaker, in my opinion, the Nike Kobe 9 Elite in the Christmas colorway. Now, this shoe originally released 10 years ago. This is the 10-year anniversary, so iconic sneaker. But before we get off into this discussion, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We're less than 200 away from 20K, and that's because each and every one of you guys, I greatly appreciate you guys. Now, with all that being said, this sneaker, in my opinion, for my personal collection, is going to be a definite must cop. Now, the sneaker is going to retail for $240, and it does drop tomorrow. If you're watching this video on December 11th, it does officially drop December 12th on the sneakers app. A lot of the other raffles and stuff are probably over with by the time you watch this video, but if you were able to enter in those, you should be hearing something pretty soon. But the price point itself, a lot of people are complaining about that, and they're thinking it's going to deter people from wanting to cop this sneaker, along with the fact that it is this model where it's super high, and a lot of people consider this the clown boxing shoe for Kobe Bryant. But nonetheless, I feel like this sneaker is going to have some great resale value. And of course, it's going to sell out because it's Christmas time and it's a Kobe. Now, with that being said, as you guys can see on the screen, Vanessa Bryant did verify that this sneaker is going to be dropping with this video right here, just showing the excellence and the awe of this sneaker. This is an extremely fire sneaker to me. I know a lot of people are saying that this is the type of sneaker that only you should be able to hoop in. If you are not a hooper, what is the point of getting this sneaker? But I remember back in the day when this style and silhouette of the Kobe 9s did drop, and a lot of people wore these things loose lace like Timberlands lifestyle. So I'm going to expect the same thing nonetheless here. Again, my saying is, it's your money, it's your feet. Rock the shoes the way that you want to rock them. I don't care if you are a skateboarder and you buy SBs and you don't do skateboarding. I don't care if you're a bowler and you wear bowling shoes and you're not a bowler. Same thing with basketball sneakers. I don't care if you hoop or not. It's your money. It's your feet. They're your shoes. Rock them the way you want to rock them. It's your style. It's your swag. I have no judgment. I have no say so. But as you look at the sneaker, it's going to be a predominantly crimson red. It's going to be a super high sneaker. It's going to be that white and black camo. The official colorway is going to be that crimson red, green, and white. The only greens are going to be on the back where the Achilles marks are, and then on the bottom, and then on the inside of the insole. That is pretty much it for the greens. Now, as far as the stock number goes, I'm hearing two different numbers, 35 and 53,000. That's the stock numbers I'm hearing for the sneakers app. That hasn't been verified, but I'm going to assume that it's going to be around that mark, which is not a lot of pairs. So I do feel like this sneaker will sell out. It will be a 10-minute draw on the sneakers app. So again, it's going to be a Kobe, and it's going to be a Christmas themed Kobe during the time where people are looking to spend money. So I don't think this sneaker is going to sit around even with the $240 price point. That's just my opinion, but y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Now, as far as the resale goes, right now the bigger sizes are already sitting around $330, $350, as you guys can see, a little bit over retail for the smaller sizes. I feel like these will stay around at $350 to $380, $400 mark for the sizes 11s and higher. Anything lower than that probably be like $30, $40 above retail. And then, as you guys notice on the sneakers app, grade school sizes are from 1Y to 7Y now. So that 1Y that used to be preschool is no longer preschool. That's considered grade school sizes. So that's going to be the new price point for those. So you're going to be looking to spend a little bit more money for those smaller sizes. But I do feel like the grade school sizes will be available even after the drop. That's not going to be an issue. These are not going to be like the Halo 9s or anything like that. Just because I feel like these are a Christmas themed sneaker. So with that being said, the demand for these sneakers will be there. But y'all comment down below and let me know what you think. As far as sizing goes, if I remember correctly, these are going to be a half a size to a full size up. They're going to fit just like all the other Kobe's, but I would definitely say no less than a half a size up on these things, and you will be perfectly fine when it comes to the sizing. Comfortability, it's a hooping sneaker, man. It's going to be, it is what it is, man. But I hope you guys are able to hit on this sneaker. Y'all comment down below and let me know your thoughts and opinions on it. If this is going to be a sneaker that you go after, like I said, I would definitely be trying to add this to my collection. I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Or for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in this video. Good luck on this drop. Peace.
We got you